Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about the top 5 best ways to make passive income. And these passive incomes, you can be any age, you can be making any money. I'll cover all age groups and all financial situations. So if you have $100,000 all the way from $0, there's always something for you. And from all of these businesses, you can make 6 7 figures, and in all of these spaces many people have made 6 figures. So all of these businesses are legit and you can make a lot of money from it, make a full-time income from it. And I'm gonna be going through just 5 of them. I have many more, so I'm probably gonna do a part 2 of this series, so stay tuned for that. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna go from having a lot of money to invest from all the way to having just $0 to invest. The first one is really obvious and really common, but it is a really good way. So basically what you do is, so you buy rental properties and obviously you just rent them out. So the best way to do this is actually not buy it on mortgage, because when you buy it on mortgage and you rent your property, your rent is probably going to go towards paying off mortgage. So if you have a lot of capital, this can turn into a really good passive income way, and this can be one of the most passive ways to make money. One of the most famous people who do this is, in the YouTube space I know, is Graham Stephan, and he actually owns like 3 4 properties, and he makes $5,000 a month from just renting out his properties. And he can be doing whatever he likes, vacationing in the Bahamas or whatever it is, making YouTube videos or whatever he wants to do, and still make $5,000. So this is the power of passive income. And passive income, if you guys don't know what it is basically making money without trading your time. So you could be traveling, vacationing, or just watching YouTube videos, whatever it is, and you'll still be making money. So passive income is a really strong money making method, and pretty much every successful entrepreneur has passive income. But yeah guys, so this is the most expensive one. I know most of you guys who are watching this are teenagers, so you won't be able to do this, but again, once you start making money, this is a really good way to go. Now the second method is, let's say you have like a couple of $1,000s in your bank account, 3,000 to be exact. You can start an ATM merchant business. Now this is, like, again, one of the most passive ways to make money. I think this has to be top 3 most passive ways to make money. And pretty much all you do is buy an ATM, put money into it. So this money, all of it, you buy an ATM and you put money into that ATM. Then you go to some store where they have high volume of traffic. So let's say a barber shop, they don't accept credit card or debit card. That's the perfect opportunity to put your ATM there, because most people don't carry money with them. And what happens from there is that whenever someone takes money out of your ATM, you take a fee. So it's a $2 fee, $3 fee, and I've actually made a dedicated video on this, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. But yeah, you just basically put money into it, and whenever someone takes money out of it, you get a fee. And let's say you charge a $2 flat fee, you can give like 30% to the owner of the store, because obviously he's renting you the space to put your ATM. So you can give like 60 cents of every transaction, 30 cents, whatever it is. So, and as you guys can tell, this is really passive, because you're literally doing nothing. All you have to do is refill the ATM every time it's low on money. And the way you know if it's low on money is, there's usually an app with the ATM, and it tells you when your ATM is running low on money. Now number 3 is really good, because you can start off with literally $0, and if you just make a small investment of $100, $150 on ads, then you can speed up the process. And honestly, $150 is not a lot, considering you can make like 6 figures from it. So you wouldn't mind spending $100 on ads. But what affiliate marketing is that you sell other people's product. A prime example of that would be, recently I made a video on how to get your Shopify logo, and in that video I tell you guys that you should buy from Fiverr, because Fiverr is the best in my opinion, and it's the cheapest, and I've had a good experience with it. And what I can do from there is put a link down in the description below, and every time someone clicks it, I get a cut from it, because I brought Fiverr a customer. So that could be $5, $10, depending on what the business is. Some water pumping service can pay you more, so it always depends. But affiliate marketing is everywhere, and there are many businesses offering that, because why wouldn't you? Let's say I'm a business owner and people can get me more customers, and I just have to pay them 10% of my profits. I wouldn't mind doing that. So affiliate marketing is a really good way to go, and it's really passive. You just have to set up a website usually, or go to a Facebook group, and I'm not sure how you do it 100%, so you guys can search it out. But you go to a Facebook group and you can refer people to the product or make a website on it, so whenever someone searches up something about, like, let's say fishing related products, you can write about it, and then in the same blog or whatever, you can tell people to buy it from some place like Amazon. Amazon is a really good place to start affiliate marketing because they have like millions of products, and you can just promote it to your friends or family, and like promote it in general, and start making money from it. So you don't have to buy any inventory, all you're paying for is the ads. So you guys can search that out, and this is what I'm looking to get into once my other businesses are doing good. So I'll get into this, so you guys will probably see a lot of videos on this later on. Now the fourth passive income business, which is really powerful and you can make 7 figures, it has made a lot of people 7 figures, is making a course. Making a course is really passive. In the beginning it does require a lot of work, but once you're done with it, you're done. All you have to do from there is you can sell to your YouTube channel. So if I'm making videos about Shopify dropshipping or passive income or whatever it is, I can make a course on it and people will buy it, like pay $500 to $20, whatever it is, and you get all the profits, because making a course is free. All you have to do is put your time into it, and from there you can just charge whatever you want and all of it will be profit. Obviously you can advertise it and make more money that way, and then you'll have ad expense, but you don't really need to spend money on ads. You can just sell it through your YouTube channel. So this does require work. Some of the most famous people you probably know are Ty Lopez, of course, he sells millions of courses, and Tanner J. Fox, and all the other Shopify gurus, Amazon gurus. Pretty much everyone has a course that they sell. Usually their number one way to make money. They're making more money through selling their courses and teaching about Shopify than they're probably making through Shopify dropshipping. Courses can make you a millionaire, and I've seen it happen. You can make 6 figures every month easily. And lastly, one of my personal favorites is Amazon FBA. So if you guys are watching this video, most probably you know about Amazon FBA, but if you don't know what it is, it's basically what you do is you find products on Amazon that are already doing well, and then what you do from there is just order your own product and private label it. So let's take headphones for example. You know that headsets are selling really well. It's too saturated, don't do it, but this is just an example. You know that these headsets are doing really well. What you can do is go to Alibaba and find a headset manufacturer. It's not that hard to find a manufacturer if you guys haven't done it before, and then just put your name on the headset. So whatever it is, make a company out of it, and then just sell it to Amazon. You don't even need to brand it, you just need to provide more value. So maybe you can bundle the product with something else and provide value that way. Whatever it is, you can just find products on Amazon that are already selling well, and then you just sell it on your own. And the products you order, you don't have to ship them out. Once you ship them out to Amazon warehouse, Amazon will take care of everything, customer service, shipping the products out. So once you just find the product and create a listing, you're basically done, because it's just gonna run on autopilot. You don't have to ship the products because you never see the products in the first place. They just go from the manufacturer to the Amazon warehouse, and then from there you just make a lot of money. And this is one of those business models that people make 6 figures from every month. All of these business model people have made 6 figures every month and bought supercars. So all of these are easily possible and can be done. So I encourage you guys to look into this if you guys haven't started, and leave a like. Let's try to go for 10 likes. And if you do hit 10 likes, then I'm gonna upload a second part which has even better businesses, so stay tuned for that. But yeah guys, subscribe if you're new and turn on notifications. I'm uploading every other day. And yeah guys, I'm out.